Hello, welcome to jQuery tutorial, chapter 42, jQuery prevent default method, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about what is prevent default method. So here are some of the browser default actions. When we right click on the web page, the browser displays the context menu. And when we right click on the link, the browser navigates to the page specified in the link. And here is a method that is prevent default method. What it does is it prevents the browser from executing the default action. So in this session, what we are going to learn is we are going to learn like how to prevent the browser default actions or how to restrict the browser default actions with the help of this method. So to understand that very clearly, let me jump here to my Visual Studio, and here you can observe within the body tag I have a heading tag and the content as right click anywhere on the web page. So now when I push this page to the browser, let me see how it renders there. It's gonna bring the heading tag with the content right click anywhere on the web page, and here it comes. So when I right click on the web page, you can observe we are getting this context menu. So this is the default behavior of the browser. Now I need to restrict this, in the sense when I right click on the web page, I should not get this context menu. So how can I do that? I can achieve that with the help of this beautiful method, prevent default. So let me go back to my Visual Studio and let me start coding there. So first I'm checking whether my DOM is loaded completely or not with the help of ready method. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell like this, if someone, okay, this, and I'm going to call on method. In the on I can pass the event name. So the event is context menu. So then I'm going to call a function handler, sorry, event handler. So what this has to do is, to this function I'm going to pass a event object, and keep in mind now this event object I'm telling like call a method called preventDefault. When I do this, okay, when I do this, what's gonna happen is it's gonna remove the context menu from the browser. It's gonna hide that. So let me go back. Now you can observe we're getting this context menu. Now when I refresh the page, okay, now you can observe we are not getting any context menu. We are preventing the default behavior of the browser with the help of this method, that is prevent default. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, and let me show you another demo. That is, when we right click on the link, the browser navigates to the page specified in the link. Now I have to restrict that also. So how do I do that? First, what I need to do is I need to take hyperlink. It points to our website, that is www.ankpro.com, and the content I'm going to give it as Ankpro technologies. Now what I do is now I'm going to identify that this anchor link, let me assign an ID to it, telling like it's my anchor. So let me copy this. So what I'm going to do here is on, not this one, on click. Okay, on click it has to call this event.prevent. Let me comment this as of now. Let me go back to my browser and let me refresh. We'll be getting that link. Now when I right click on that, you can observe it is navigating to this ankpro.com web page. Now let me go back. Now I need to restrict that. I need to restrict the default behavior of the browser. So what I need to do is I need to uncomment this code, and this is gonna do that. So it's going to, now when I refresh, now it's not gonna take us to that page. When I right click, you can observe very clearly. This is how you can prevent the default behavior of the browser. Okay, that's what we learned in this session with the help of this method, that is prevent default. So that's for the day. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. Further reference ref our website. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.